Guys, I got some good news for you. Today, I'm going to open up the giveaway for the knife video, so stay tuned. It's going to be a little bit later in the video. Don't skip through. You guys need to pay attention for all the details. What is going on, guys? Man, I'm exhausted. Here on Snowflake and Lucy back here. It has been, this wind's probably blowing like crazy. Get over here. There we go. It has been a crazy week. We've had basketball games. Monday night, didn't get into close to midnight. In bed after midnight, up at 4 for work. Same thing the next night. Then Wednesday night, church, got in. And then this morning, this is Thursday, I'm tired. What you girls doing? You hungry? Let's get them some food. Oh, no you don't. Oh, no you don't. Oh, no you don't. Let's try this one more time, Lucy. Snowflake don't back off of you, we'll feed you somewhere else. Let's see how they do. So far, so good. So back to basketball. Kind of bittersweet. Our season ended Tuesday night. Both teams lost in the quarterfinals of the state playoffs. But there was two things we tell them all year they can control. And that's their attitude and their effort. And I'll have to say, even though we both lost, both of the two components that we can control, we did a good job of it. We kept a good attitude the whole time, and our effort was good throughout both games. So sometimes that happens. But we're proud of them. Like I said, they showed great sportsmanship, and they hustled and they played their hind ends off. So no complaints there. Got some more good news for you. This is knife giveaway time. So I'm going to get home here shortly after I feed these goats. I'm going to show you the blade. I'm going to go over all the details on what you're going to have to do. And the rest is in your hands. So, Lucy. Hey guys, welcome back. As promised, just got back from feeding the goats. Just got the groceries and some Valentine's stuff in. Hallie really wanted this. For some reason, this like Santa Claus kitty cat. She doesn't know she got it, so but she has it. And Hunter, he wanted this big old red teddy bear. So I will say they are both pretty soft. And they got some chocolates and stuff like that. And we got a kind of a Valentine's Day tradition we kind of started, I think, 2 years ago now. But since Valentine's Day is always so busy and hectic, what we do, we just get pizza stuff and we make pizzas here as a family. Together, we do crazy designs on them with pepperonis and make all kinds of cool stuff. Kids love it. Pizza's pretty good, so it's a lot better than going out somewhere and having to fight the crowds and all that stuff. So back to the knife. Here it is. You've seen it a little picture of it on my last video. Show you the blade here. Got some oil on it. So what this is, it's a 100% handmade knife from Melton Forge. It's made out of 1095 high carbon spring steel. The handle material here is a stabilized dyed buckeye burl wood. And then I don't know if you can see it. Oh, where's that? Right there. You see them red liners in there? It's got a red liner that goes in it like that. So it's got red liners in it. The value of this is between $175 and $200. So it is a pretty expensive knife. You can see the Kydex sheath here, and it's got a leather that is wrapped around it. It makes it look a lot better like this. It's got a nice little pin in it on two of them here. So this is the blade. For your chance to win this blade here, what you're going to have to do, you're going to have to already be a subscriber, which most of you guys that are watching this video are. You'll have to comment on this video, and you'll have to like the video. So today is Thursday. I'm going to upload this video this evening, Monday, the 22nd, I think. Let's go to Monday. So I just want to make sure that everyone who's a subscriber has a chance to get in on this. I'm going to open it up a little longer. I think it's the 22nd. Anyways, not this coming Monday, but the next Monday. I will close it then and make a video that day sometime, probably around lunchtime, and then I'll have it out that evening. So the winner will already be selected by about lunchtime on Monday, the 21st, 2nd, something like that. Whatever Monday that is around that date. So there's the details on that. Like I said, it's a 100% handmade knife from Melton Forge. It's 1095 high carbon spring steel, and the handle material is a stabilized dyed buckeye burl wood with red liner next to the blade. And it's like a $200 knife. Comes with this Kydex sheath with leather around it. Gonna make somebody a really good name, and it is so sharp. Yeah, that's sharp. Slice that paper. No problem. It's smooth too. It didn't tear it, it cut it. So there you have it. If you win this knife, be very careful taking it out of the sheath. It just simply, listen, pops in and it pops out. So be very careful where you have your hand at around here when you're taking it out, because you do not want to run this thing across your fingers because you may lose a finger. So with that being said, make sure you like, comment on this video. I'm gonna give you guys about a week and a half is what it'll be. And I'll get a winner picked out. And I'm not sure how I'm gonna do the making contact with me, because on my last giveaway, the $50 one that I did with Dutch, there was people that made fake accounts to try to get Joe's money. I was able to catch them. I did not send them Joe's money, but I'm still trying to figure out how I'm gonna do this just to make sure the right person gets the blade. I'm gonna talk to Dutch and some other YouTubers and see how they make contact with the winner and see which is the best route. But if you do not get selected, please do not send me fake emails, make up fake YouTube accounts and try to get somebody else's knife. That's very unethical. I mean, it's really bad idea. Why would you do that? If you don't win, it's not the end of the world. Don't be trying to rip somebody off. So that being said, let's be honest and do the right thing. If you don't win, just say congratulations to the winner and don't be trying to take their knife. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment down below if you want a chance to win this blade. Thank you guys for everybody here at Moorhead Homestead. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell. Thank you guys, and God bless.